Hello everyone, in here I will show you how to make a camera app in Android with Jetpack Compose. I will show you in the result for this video is we will make the app like this. You can video recording like this and you can stop it and you can play it on the video like this. Okay, and you can to change the speed and play again. Okay, like this. Okay, let's jump to the tutorials. First of all, you need to do is to add the dependency for the CameraX. In here I using CameraX and I'm setting the compile SDK to 33, and then you can find this dependency in my GitHub repository. And in here I using Kotlin 1.7 and the Kotlin in the Compose version in 1.2.1. You can copy in my GitHub repository. Okay, let's jump to tutorial. Okay, first of all, I will create in here camera wrapper, which is a Kotlin version, Kotlin file. Click in here, Kotlin file in camera wrapper. Okay, in here I will create the suspend function of for the context of for camera provider. I will create in here inline function for to get camera provider. I will import it. And then I will annotate with process camera provider. Process camera provider is equal suspend coroutine. Okay, in here inside the block I will create in here conditional. Okay, like this, and enter. In here process camera provider get instant this for this contact, and I create is in here also, and in this inside the block like this I will create a future. Sorry. Okay, and then in here I will create the listener. At listener, and here I will create the block again, and I will call the conditional dot resume, and future again get the value, and in here I will create the main executor. Okay, the function like this, and I will create a function again in here, which is suspend function. I will create the inline function again, context dot. I will create the use case for the video capture. I will here create video use case, and then inside this parameter I will fill this life cycle owner, and in cameras in here I will create the camera selector, and preview. for the preview video. In here I will annotate with video capture, which is camera video and recorder. Okay, I will create the parentheses and insert in here I will create the preview builder. For preview is equal preview dot builder in the dot build, and I will apply with the set for surface provider. Okay, in here I will call the preview dot surface provider. Okay, like this, and then in here I will create the quality selector. Quality selector is equal quality selector dot from the quality I will in here I will take the HD full HD quality, which is a quality dot full HD, and then in here fallback strategy. In here I will choose the in here like this, lower quality or higher than quality full HD. Okay, and then I will create the recorder, which is a recorder builder. And set executor in main executor, and then the set quality selector is quality selector, and view, and then I will create a video capture. Video capture is equal video capture with output recorder. Okay, like this, and then I will create in here for the camera provider. Is equal get camera provider. In here camera provider is unbin all, and then camera provider is going to life cycle. In here I will call the life cycle owner, and then camera selector again, and preview like this, preview, okay, and video capture. Okay, just like this, and then I will return in here with video capture. Okay, the error is gone, and then the last function I will create again in here, which is for the start for video recording. In here I will create a function for the start video recording. Okay, inside here I will create I will add the contact, which is a contact, and file format, which is a string, and then video capture, like video capture, which is a video capture recorder. Okay, and then create the output again. I will create the output. I will create the output directory. Output directory, which is a file, and then executor, which is an executor, okay, and audio for the video audio enable, which is a boolean enable, okay, and then for the consumer for video format, consumer, which is a consumer, video record event. Okay, and here we'll annotate with recording and keep parentheses. Okay, and then I will create in here for the video file, which is a file, and then output directory, and a simple date format for the date time. We create here file name, format, and local .us format, system current time release, like today. And I will sum with MP4 like this. Okay, and then in here create the output option, which is a file output option dot filter and video file dot wheel. Okay, and then I will return it in here, return video capture dot output, and prepare recording context and output option. Here I will apply inside the parentheses. I will create if audio enable, with audio enable, and I will start executor and consumer. Okay, in this error maybe I will add the permission record audio in the manifest file. In this, we'll add in here surprise line with missing permission. Mission. Okay, and the error is gone. And this is the error is I forgot to add this. I forgot to add the provider in here. Okay, and then I will go to main activity. I will delete everything in here. Delete everything. Okay, like this, and I will create in here for the nav controller. Is remember equal remember nav controller. Okay, I will delete the navigation, and then in here I will create the surface. I will delete it, and then in here I will create the modifier is equal modifier filmmax size. Okay, and add the color. I will create a color for the background. Okay, and then in here I will add the nav host. I will enter it like this. Okay, the nav controller is equal nav controller, and the start in here I will add the start destination is equal route. I'm not yet to create it, and I will create in here object route. In here I will fill the with constant value, which is a video, and I will create again console value video preview full route. Video preview. And then I will create again cons value file video preview. Equal video preview. And the last one is a video argument. Is equal URI. Okay, in here I will add the row dot video, and I will add the parentheses in here. Okay, and then I will create the composable function again. Composable function In here I will create the road, the video, and in here I will add the screen for the video capture. And then in here I will add the composable again, which is road to video preview. And add the parentheses again. I'll create a URI, which is it dot argument question mark and get string video argument video. I will add in here and copy in here. Okay, I will enter it like this and check null checks in here, add like this, and add the video preview screen. I will create in here. I will create video recording screen. Create the Kotlin file video capture screen. Okay. I will add the composable function. The composable create the function for video capture screen. The capture screen, and in here I will add the nav controller. And add the parentheses. And then I will add the context. I will add the context is equal local context and current, and then I will add the lifecycle owner again, owner, which is a local lifecycle owner dot current, and I will create the permission state. Just remember multiple permission state, and add the permission in here with array. We'll enter first. Permission is list of manifest dot permission. Manifest. Wrong to import manifest. Choose the Android, and then permission camera, and last one is manifest again that permission record audio. Okay, and this is error. I will add the experiment API, and error has been gone. I will create again in here recording. For recording is equal recording question mark equal remember. I will import it first. Okay, is equal remember. Okay, like this. I will make like this, and in here I will add the null value. Okay, and then I will create a for the preview, for the preview is equal preview view is remember is a preview view, and then context context in like this. I'm sorry, I will change it. Context. Okay, and then I'll create for the video capture state. We'll create in here file video capture. Is equal mutable state for the video capture recorder. Okay, and then I will add a question mark in here, equal remember mutable state of, and I will create null in here. Okay, and then I will create the record start for the mutable state. I will in here for recording start is equal mutable state is equal boolean, and then remember mutable state of the value is false. Okay, next I will create for the camera selector and mutable state for the camera selector is equal remember mutable state of camera selector dot default back camera for back camera, and then in here I will use the launch effect. The key is unit. I will delete first unit, and then create the parenthesis for coroutine scope. In here I will add for the permission state launch multiple permission requests, and add again launch effect, and I will delete. Next I will add in here preview view and add the parentheses, and in here I will call the video capture value is equal context dot create video capture use case. And I will call the life cycle owner is equal life cycle owner, the camera selector is equal camera selector, and preview is equal preview view. Okay, the camera selector's error. Okay, in here I will create for the value. Okay, this error is gone. And then permission required. You choose in below. There are multiple permission state. In here I will add the permissions state, and then insert in here. I'm sorry, I will add in here. Okay, I will create box with the modifier is film access. Modifier full film size, and then insert the box, and then inside the box I will create furnace again for the Android view. I will enter first. Okay, factory. I will call the permission. I'm sorry. I will call the preview view, and modifier dot film access again, and then I will add the icon button for the on click. I will insert the on click. I will create the if statement. If negation mark recording start dot value if not started, and then I do video capture dot value again question mark, and I will call the let function video capture. Okay, like this, and I will enter. In here I will call the recording start value again. Recording start dot value is equal true, and I will make the directory media directory is equal context dot external cache I'm sorry, external core as in the back and first or null, and question mark again let function, and then in here I will call the file, insert file, we will create a file again, and add the context dot get string, which is the app name. We'll add the string dot app name. Okay, for the name, yes. My battery is low. And I will apply and make tier. I'm sorry, make tier S. Okay, and then in here I will call the recording variable is equal start recording video, and then context is equal context, and then file name format is equal, I will make the timestamp format This is yours. Dash month, dash day, dash hours, dash minute, dash gain second, dash millisecond. Okay, and then comma video capture is equal video capture, and output directory is if the media tier is not null and media tier dot exist and media tier is equal media tier, else I will call the context dot file tier. Okay, and then I'll call the executor again. Executor is equal, executor is equal context dot main executor, and then audio enable is equal audio oh, I forgot in here to add the audio enable is equal mutable state boolean, and then remember mutable state of value is false. Okay, like this, and I will fill audio enable is audio enable dot value. Okay, and then I will add in here parentheses again. Here I will create the event and add the if statement again. If event is video recorder event dot file finishes. Add the parentheses again. Create a file URI is equal event dot output result dot output URI if URI is not URI dot empty, which is not empty, and again file URI encoded is equal URL encoder dot encode the encode first and URI dot toString. Okay, like this one, and add in here a standard cast standard cursor dot UTF-8 toString toString. Okay, and create the nav controller in here. Call the nav controller dot navigate to I will add the string $mark parenthesis again route dot video video preview, which is the video preview screen, and slash URI encoded. Okay, like this one. In here I will else statement is recording start dot value is equal val is recording stop dot stop question mark first dot stop. Okay, and then in here I will add the modifier again. Is equal modifier dot alignment bottom start, and then I will give the padding for the bottom maybe 32 dp. I will enter. Okay, and inside in here I will add the icon. And I will enter and again give the pointer, which is the pointer resource. If recording start dot value, I will add in here first drawable stop new and vector is set. And here I will search for stop. Okay, like this one will AC stop. Next, finish, and add in here is r dot drawable dot AC stop, and else I will add again in here for the record icon. Okay, like this. I see record. Add drawable dot IC record. Okay, so very long time. And then it's done. I will content description, which is null, and add the modifier again. Is equal modifier dot size. We'll add for 64 dp. Okay, like this. And I will add again in here below for the parentheses. If it's not recording start dot value, I will add for the icon button on click. I will handle the on click is audio enable dot value is equal negative value audio enable dot value, and then I will add modifier. Add the modifier in here. Sorry, I will enter first. modifier dot alignment is align bottom star, and give the padding is 32.dp. Okay, and then in here I will add the icon again. And I will enter first. Okay, find resource. I will add the if statement again inside find resource if audio enable dot value. I will add the vector again for the mic on and mic off. Mic on, I will add IC mic on, next, and I will create again is mic off. For mic off, I'm sorry, I see mic off. Okay, next, finish. In here I will add for the treble mic on. I see mic on, and else is r.treble.mic off. For okay, and content description is equal string like this, and create the modifier equal modifier size is equal 64 dp. Okay, and then in here I will create again if statement. Is the last one. If statement is not recording start dot value, and give the parentheses again is equal button icon button. On click I will handle the on click, which is a camera selector. Value is equal if camera selector value is equal a camera selector default back camera. In here a camera selector default from front camera, and I will create the else, give the camera default to back camera. Okay, like this, and then I will call the left cycle owner dot left cycle scope dot launch video capture dot value is equal context dot create video capture use case. In here will left cycle owner, which is a left cycle owner, and camera selector, which is a camera selector dot value, and preview view is equal preview view. And then I will add the modifier inside here, comma modifier. I'm sorry, I will copy and will add in here like this one, and the error is gone. And then I will create in here a modifier is equal a modifier dot alignment is alignment bottom and alignment dot bottom alignment dot bottom and we will add again padding again for the bottom is equal 32 dp. Okay, and the last final in here I will add the icon for paint resource. I will enter first like currently, and paint resource again is r dot. We'll add new vector again for the switch camera, and we will r dot drawable dot ic camera switch, and then description is equal like this, and I will create the modifier is equal modifier dot size is equal 64 dp. Okay, and now for the video capture screen is done, and I will create one screen again in here for the video preview. Okay, let's jump to it. I will create the Kotlin file again. Its name is video preview screen. Okay, I will add the composable function in here. I will call the video preview preview screen like this. Okay, inside in here I will add for the URI which is a string. I will add string here, and inside the parentheses I will call the context is equal local context dot current, and I will add the exoplayer for the player video. The exoplayer is equal remember context, and I will give the parentheses. I will enter first for the remember, and in here I will add the exoplayer dot builder. I will add this contact inside the builder, and then build and apply. Call the apply function. We'll set the media source. I will set for the media item. For the media item, which is a media item dot media item dot from URI is equal URI. Okay, and I will call the prepare function. Next, in here I will add for the disposable effect. I will delete everything. I will enter. I will undispose. In here I will exoplayer dot release. Okay, and then inside this disposable effect I will add for the box like this. I will enter first. Modifier is equal modifier dot film size. Okay, like this one, and Inside the box, I will add again Android view. Okay, I will enter first, and for the factory I will fill with contact like this, and I will give the style player view which is a context again, and apply, and inside apply I will add a player which is a Exoplayer. Okay, and last one I will add the modifier is equal modifier filmmax size. Filmmax size. Okay, like this. And the last and the final, I will add the video preview screen in here. I will add the video capture screen first in here inside the composable. For the root video, I will add a video capture screen, a nav control which is a nav controller, and inside video preview, I will call a video preview screen, Yuri, okay, like this one. I will run the app. Okay, and don't forget to add the camera permission. Okay, and the app is done. The app is like this, and I will try to record. It's working perfectly fine. You can record it, you can stop it, and you can play it again like this. Okay, stop. Okay, the tutorial is like this, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you.